course, it was only appropriate that I wore my pineapple earring for my pineapple video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, I really appreciate it. So I'm very excited for today's video because I feel like today is going to be record breaking for me. I'm going to film the fastest I've ever filmed / upload the shortest video I've ever uploaded. I know my videos tend to be a little bit on the longer side. So if this is your first time here, welcome. And sorry, but don't get used to these really short videos because it's really hard for me to do. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair in the pineapple hairstyle. If you are new to the curly community, I'm sure that you've heard of it already. It is that beautiful hairstyle where we place our curls like up on the top. It's also a way where a lot of us curly girls sleep. We'll pick up our curls, we'll plop them up on the top, and we'll go to sleep with them to prevent a lot of frizz at night. It's actually a very simple hairstyle, but I know that if you've never done it before, you're kind of wondering like, what the hell is going on underneath all that hair? Because pretty much that's all you see. All you see is beautiful fluffiness of just natural curly wavy coily hair up on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. So since this is a short video, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to flip your head and your hair forward. And when you do that, you want to go ahead and push all the curls forward. Then you're going to start to sort of smooth everything out. And you want to bring the curls up closer to your forehead, and that's pretty much what it is. Where a high ponytail usually goes back here, a pineapple is much more forward. So now that we have pushed the curls forward, this is the moment where it's a little bit different when you go to sleep versus when you do this as a hairstyle to go out. If you're gonna go to sleep with your curls, I suggest, if you suffer from a lot of frizz, I suggest using something that's a little bit bigger, something that's maybe even silky. You just simply put this like that, and that's it. We're ready for bed. This is literally how I go to bed, and that's it. I leave my curls very pushed forward so that they don't get disturbed at night and they don't get frizzy. Now, if this is a hairstyle that it's going to be more of like a actual hairstyle where you're going to go out with it, I do suggest using something more like a scrunchie, something that's going to give you good hold, because you don't want your pineapple falling off like halfway through the day. You're going to do the exact same thing, just this time we're going to do more than one loop. So we loop it once, we loop it again. Depending on how much hair you have, how thick it is, or the scrunchie, you want to just do one, you want to do two or three. All right. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to tighten it, and I'm going to push it a little bit back. So this is it. This is literally what a pineapple is. That is all. Now here is where the fun part starts, and here is where you start to incorporate your own style into the pineapple. Now granted, remember that depending on how long or short your hair is, the pineapple is going to look different. If your hair is shorter, the curls are going to sort of fall right on top of your head a little bit more. It's going to look a little bit more of like a top bun. Super cute. It's probably like my favorite way the pineapples look. If you have longer hair like me, my hair is getting a little bit longer. My curls used to usually fall like a little bit more up. Now my hair is getting a lot longer. So pineapples do get a little bit more complicated. So what you can do is you can use bobby pins to just simply push some of the hair back. So you can just pretty much do that throughout your hair. If your hair is too long, you can just clip them back, and then you can sort of like fluff them out. And so that's going to help you do a pineapple. So just keep those things in mind. Your haircut also plays a big part on what your curls and your pineapple is going to look like. If you have shorter hair and a lot of the sides come out, you could just simply sleek that back with like a gel. You could also like smooth out the back so it doesn't look like as textured. Also, if you like push it back, you could lay your edges. Like if, for example, this part is going to be showing, you could lay your edges. I love the way that looks. I'm just not very good at laying my edges. I told myself that for 2020 we need to work on that. I usually like when my pineapple falls, like when the curls fall a little bit more forward, but then this right here is a little bit more narrowed. So all I do is I simply just grab like little bobby pins and I just pin the sides. And that's just pretty much going to help me secure the curls in place. So this is pretty much what I do. I continue to pin different curls in different places until I get the shape that I like. I'll fluff, and that's it. Yeah, girl, I like this. I'm just going to put a little bit of hairspray on the sides, kind of brush out those curls a little bit. I like to wear mine a little bit more tousled. I like the texture in the back and a little bit of the texture on the side. I just feel like, for me, it just makes me feel a lot more comfortable. So what do you guys think? This is it. Super easy. You can make it your own. You could just add your own style to it. You could switch it up. I feel like it's such a cute and easy hairstyle. This is pretty much it, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below if you like to wear your curls in a pineapple. I mean, do you use it just to sleep? Do you style your hair with it? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, I really, really appreciate you guys. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up to let me know that you like it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!